What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati once again with another medium skin fade, comb over, side part. Very basic stuff, according to me. As you already know my style, the other side has already been taken care of. Let's go. This is about the third video I'm recording today. I'm pressing for time. If it looks like I'm just going for it, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going for it. If you watch my videos consistently, I do the same exact thing all the time, every time. So now the shaver. This video will be posted as is, no editing involved. That's my style for now. I think it's good for the viewer because you get to see everything as is, nothing, absolutely nothing is removed. Whatever I do, that's what you see. Boom. My first guideline, as usual, is the OA. In this OA, then the triple zero at an angle, 5-0 at an angle, maybe the T outliner, maybe the shaver. All right, first guideline coming up. Triple zero coming up. Part 0 coming up. Here we go. Boom. Now I'm going to use the cordless T outliner to work on the bottom line, which I created with the shaver. This line came from the shaver, because I ball out all the way straight to the line. Work it, work it, work it. Boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps that I did earlier. Triple OA, 00050. One more time, making sure the blend is nice and crispy. You know my style. 0. And 5-0. Boom. We are looking bueno. Maybe a little bit of the shaver, very light. Just to soften up, making sure the line is completely gone. Boom, we're looking good. Now I'm moving on to my 1.5. Where in the heck is, oh, there we go. I thought I missed the 1.5. Here we go, 1.5 coming up. One A behind the 1.5 at an angle, as you can see. So 1. The OA. And a little bit of the 000. Very lightly. You don't want to get too excited here. With the 000. Just the corners, very softly. One thing about all detachable blade hair cutting, even though if you already previously do a step, as the blend stretch, you might need to touch up the steps that you already previously done. All right, let's move on. Now I'm going to move on to the 1.5 one more time. One A, 1 OA. The 000 will not be necessary this time. I hope not. All right. 1A behind my 1.5. The 1 behind the OA. Very light. I don't need too much of any of these blades. Very light. And my OA. Where is that? Bingo. OA. Nice and easy. Corner, 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 corner. Nice and easy. And a little bit of the 000, primarily towards the front. Right about here, let's say again. Not a whole lot of it. Okay, I'm done with it. All right, I'm gonna move on to my 3.5. This bow right here is a bit too heavy. I'm gonna throw my 3.5 there and reverse blend under it. So this is my 3.5, let's go. This bow, this transition towards the top is a bit too heavy. So I'm just gonna soften it up a bit and we are moving on. This haircut is plain and simple. I'm telling you, this thing, all detachable blade haircutting is easy. Repeat after me. All detachable haircutting is easy. There we go. Boom. There goes the 2 behind the 3.5. By the way, I use engine blades. If you don't know, now you know. And then the 1.5, a little bit of it, not too much. I don't want to get too excited here. And we are done. Oh my God, look at this. Now, I'm going to move into the lining. Oh, by the way, there's a hard part involved. There was a previous hard part in this haircut. That was in the wrong location. Unfortunately, I wasn't the one that did the haircut. We're going to relocate the hard part, and hopefully everything is successful. Okay, let's go. The hard part was once here. We're going to move it right over where it's supposed to be. Unfortunately, I wasn't the one doing the haircut previously. The last time or whatever, the last few times, it doesn't matter. Would you sign in, please? Okay. It's okay. All right. Here comes the hard part. Plain and simple. Hello, sir. How you doing? Well, life is good. Go ahead and sign in, please. I have to be careful of wide this hard part is. I don't want it to interfere with the previous one. I don't want it to look like you had too hard part. Boom. All right, I finished the rest of it with the razor. Boom. Here we go. I'm just gonna line up the corners. Boom. That's about right. All right. This haircut is nearly finishing. All right, I'm gonna throw a little gel in there. Enough on there. There we go. I'm going to chop up the hard part with the razor right quick, and we're moving on. There we go. Yeah, look at the axe, yeah. You like them slim, medium, hot, wide? How do you like your hard part? Look at the axe.
I guess not too thick, but not too slim either.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little wider. Sorry about that, I should have asked you up front. Boom, all right. Let me see if I can make it a little wider here, and we'll get on with it. Here we go. Boom. All right. I think this is about right. don't do the full lining, we'll simply do the corners. Boom. Also, I'm going to be touching up the bottom of the eyebrows right quick. Just the bottom. Throw a little gel on there. Boom. One more time. We'll do the other side. Boom. Same thing on this side. This. Oh, here we go. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, thank you for watching. This is the Barber Illuminati. Let's go. Good night.